Y'all need Jesus. That's true. I do. Oh, my car. I got this back. Jesus had my back. So if you guys want to know what happened on Memorial Day, I was taking some time to go to my friend's house and I was coming out onto this main road and there's like a tree where you can't see until the car's coming up right up on you so dang fast. And basically I was creeping out too far and this car came and clipped the whole front end of me. And it put me into the road and it was kind of scary, but I was safe and the car, everything was safe, and I was very grateful to be in my Tesla. So we're gonna go take the car for a spin and we're gonna check it out. I haven't driven it in months. It's been gone since Memorial Day. Here we are in middle of August. Oh man, I love everything about this. Thank you, Jesus, for bringing me home to my family and my wife, and my kids, and everybody that love me. So we're gonna go take a little ride today. I always tell you guys how I'm only about 5 minutes or less from like a third world country. Okay, we just left my driveway. Today, we're gonna find out. Look at these homes. These are all $1 million homes in here. So we're gonna leave this neighborhood right here in Northern California, and we're gonna find out how long it takes to get to scary places. And I'm not hating or in any way talking smack about this lifestyle. It's more of a politician issue and a state issue. I don't understand, my friends don't understand, my family don't understand, where is all this California money going? We see that there's so much money in California, but yet all around us looks like it needs money. There's only so much we could do. We need more funding. Excuse me. That building at that stop sign right there we just passed, I can show you when we come back. That's actually a church / sheriff station. They share it. We're kind of out here in the middle of the country, but still in the city. It's kind of weird. I'm only about 5 minutes from the grocery store and whatnot, but like I'm about to show you guys, I'm only about 5 minutes from people that need serious help. I wish there was something we could do. They need better shelter, better food, clean water. We need to figure out how we can help with their mental health issues. All I know how to do and what I've been preaching to do to everybody is just love. And I know that's not the ultimate solution. And I know that that's not going to cure the problem now. But I do know that will lead to the solution and that will lead to the cure. If we have no love in our hearts and we're not even trying to love our fellow neighbor and that's your brother, that's your sister, that's God, those are our God sisters and our God brothers. We're all related. We all come from Adam and Eve. So let's all just start there with as much love as we can. I know this seems like maybe something that is very hard to do, but we should all try to love the homeless person, or the guy that has mental health, or maybe the drug addict on the side of the road. We gotta love them as much as we love our own kids or our own mom and brother. The same people that maybe might rob us, we gotta humble ourselves and show some compassion. I'm not saying put yourself in that situation and get robbed. That's crazy. But I do know that we could avoid certain situations. If you're not going to certain areas to help or to have the proper team with you, don't go. I see these people that go hand out stuff and do that. Make sure that you're going to a safe area, because not everywhere is safe. How I'm about to show you guys is we've already passed a few places. I was busy talking. I'm sure you guys might have seen them out the sides. There's already a few places people's living on the sides, and from what I've heard and talked to some of the locals around here, and some of these people that are homeless actually say they have families around here and can go home and shower, but they do live on the streets. And when I've talked to them, they've said that it's dangerous. That it's not only dangerous because I was asking them, is there other homeless people, or who's out there robbing you guys? Who makes it dangerous? They said that there's real criminals, like there's like real street gangs that are out there that are like walking their areas where they're all living in, and basically taking anything worth of value, which is very little, but still, it's crazy that even the homeless people are getting robbed, and they're actually having to steal other things for them to survive. This guy's flying. So, I live in Placer County. It's Northern California. Just right, maybe a minute or two after you leave, we're in Sacramento County. So, if you guys are wondering, we're in Sacramento County. This is the capital of California, Northern California, north of San Francisco. Right at this turn, there used to be people that were just parked, and like I'm saying, some of these homeless people have cars. They're not all living in tents. Some have cars. Some saying they still have family members that let them go back to their house and hold stuff there. It's just scary knowing that we're so close to right there is where the guy was saying. But yeah, we're only 5 minutes. So right on the other side of this bridge, and then on this side of the road is a Walmart. So all under this bridge right here is where tons of people must stay. Never been down here, but we're early. It's 8:13 in the morning here. But this intersection here at Walmart is normally is packed. There's 5, 6, maybe 10 people asking for money at all times normally right here, and they get it, you know. Even though that Sacramento looks like this and it looks like hell, there's money here. We care about our people. We do share with the homeless. But that's what I'm saying is even though I'm recording this and I'm posting this for you guys, I'm very humbled. I'm only one paycheck away from being here with him. Maybe not so bad, but think about it. Everybody, it's got that American syndrome, I call it, to where we pretty much we have to always spend our money. I swear this is how it is. It doesn't matter if you make $10 an hour, $15 an hour, $50 an hour, $100 an hour. We got that American syndrome where we have to to keep up with the Joneses. We always want the next best thing. We always have to have something nice and good, and then now we make more money, and now we're more in debt. Look at this, somebody looking for something right here. And these are all industrial businesses, complexes over here. $1 million companies. And it looks like they just can't do anything about it. There's too many people. I've seen him clean this up. It started to look like Venice Beach. Look at this, car's on fire. Or it was just burned. Right here, there's motorhomes after motorhomes. And they got cars. There's people normally in here. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over here. Look at all this trash, and look at this motorhome, and look at this car. They've caught this all on fire over here. They had to put out. Excuse me. Man, I gotta get one of those shirts that say, I don't have COVID, I just smoke weed. I took a rip way earlier this morning when I first woke up, and I swear I'm still coughing up that bong load. That's the good thing about California, though. We are in the green capital. Here's somebody's campsite. So you guys can see that it's only about 5 minutes from my house. And my friend lives in these apartments right up here on the left. He said that he's been shot at. Not that he does anything. He said he's just sitting on the corner in his car with his girlfriend. And they live with a bunch of people in their apartment, so they just kind of hang out on the corner in their car. He said that people just hit this corner and just fire off rounds. Look at this trash all on the floor here. I'm not sure what this is all about. Just stuff that's been left there and gone through. So right beyond here, they had to put these big old rocks up there. These used to be packed like Skid Row. Now, like this guy right here just camps right here on the edge. And this is the apartment complex that my friend lives at, that said that he was shot at, just sitting right here at the corner. So right up here, there's this abandoned building that I wanted to come do a photo shoot. I love graffiti. All my family has worked for the railroad, and I love graffiti. So I've always given it homage. I've always taken pictures of it. But for my kids, when they go back to school and when they do their school shoots, I wanted to come up here. And the last time I came up here, it just wasn't safe. But look at how cool this is. If you guys can see how amazing all this artwork is on this building. I mean, it is beautiful. Some people might not appreciate that. I love that. How beautiful is that? All the train cars that come, I make sure I look at and show them some love. So I'm gonna turn around, guys. I haven't been this far in a while, and there's really nothing left for me to do up here. So I'm gonna turn around and kind of go back and show you.